Hey everyone, Patrick LeBlanc, Principal Program Manager, Microsoft Fabric. Are you working with Microsoft Synapse and you want to migrate over to Fabric Data Warehouse? Well, in this video, we will demonstrate how to get that done in just a few clicks. Let's take a look.
The Fabric Migration Assistant is a migration experience built natively into Fabric to enable Azure Synapse Analytics Data Warehouse customers to transition seamlessly to Microsoft Fabric. This experience enables users to migrate the metadata and data from the source database, automatically converting the source schema to Fabric Data Warehouse, helping with data migration, and providing AI-powered assistance. To start the migration, I click on the Migrate button in the workspace that I want to migrate into and select the DACPack file card, which opens up this wizard to set up the source and destination of my migration. For my source, I'm going to upload a DACPack file that I created from my Synapse dedicated SQL pool that I want to migrate from. Next, for the destination, I'll set the name of my Fabric data warehouse that I want to migrate into. After I review my inputs, I click Migrate. This kicks off the migration of all the schemas, including my tables, views, stored procedures, and functions. And once that's done, I can use my migration assistant to complete the rest of the steps in my migration. So here I can see a summary of my migration, and I can review all the objects that were successfully migrated for me automatically. Now the second step is to go and fix the scripts that couldn't migrate automatically. So here I can see a list of scripts ordered by priority. So I'm going to click into one of these to review the errors in this script. Here I can see there is an error about scalar functions not being supported. So let's see if Copilot can help us fix this. So I click this Fix Query Errors button to see the suggested fix by Copilot. And great, Copilot has automatically updated the script by replacing the scalar function with a stored procedure that achieves similar functionality. So now I can review that this looks good and I can run the script to migrate it. Now what I need to do is go and fix the rest of these scripts in a similar fashion using Copilot, or I can choose to do these manually too. And once all of the objects have been migrated, I can go back and check off this step to fix problems and move on to the next step to copy data. Here I can invoke a copy job to copy my data from my dedicated SQL pool over to the Fabric warehouse. So I give a name for my copy job and click Create. This opens up a wizard that guides me through various steps. First, I choose my data source. So here I'm going to connect to the Synapse dedicated SQL pool that I'm migrating from. The next step is to choose the data. So I'm going to select the tables that I want to copy data for. And then I'm going to review the table mapping and finally select a copy job mode and review the selections that I made and hit save and run. This will start a copy job in the background. And once that's done, I can check off my step to copy data and move on to the final step to reroute my connections. So what I need to do now is move all the connections of my ETL and reporting tools that are connected to my dedicated SQL pool over to the Fabric warehouse. And there you go. In just a couple of steps, we've seen how the migration assistant makes it so easy to migrate the schema and data from the source data warehouse. With integrated assessment tools and guided support, this feature simplifies migration, enabling customers to leverage Fabric's capabilities without the complexity of traditional migrations.
Wow, what a great video. If you have any questions, comments about this video, or you'd like to see other videos about Microsoft Fabric, you know what to do. Post it in the comments below. If this is your first time visiting the Microsoft Fabric YouTube channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. As always, from Microsoft and this guy, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.